Every year, thousands of families trust their lives to one decision, their car. But here's the real question. Is the 2026 Honda CR-V still the safest choice for your family, or has the competition finally caught up? The Honda CR-V has built a reputation as one of the most reliable and safest family SUVs on the road. And now, with the 2026 model, Honda is pushing even further. But in today's world of rapidly evolving safety tech, is reputation enough, or does it still lead the pack? Choosing a safe car in 2026 isn't as simple as it used to be. Crash tests are getting stricter, technology is evolving fast, and features that were once premium are now standard. Organizations like the IIHS and NHTSA are constantly updating their testing methods. That means a car considered safe just a few years ago might not meet today's standards. At the same time, competitors like the Toyota RAV4, Mazda CX-5 and Hyundai Tucson are stepping up big time with advanced driver assistance systems. So now the real challenge is, which SUV truly protects your family the best? Let's break down what the 2026 CR-V brings to the table. First up, Honda Sensing Suite. This includes collision mitigation, braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, road departure mitigation. These systems actively work to prevent accidents before they even happen. Then comes structural safety. Honda uses its advanced compatibility engineering, ACE body structure, designed to absorb and distribute crash energy more evenly. Inside the cabin, you get multiple airbags, front, side, curtain, improved passenger detection systems, reinforced cabin protection. Now compared to rivals, the RAV4 focuses heavily on reliability and standard safety tech. The CX-5 excels in driver engagement and solid crash structure. The Tucson pushes futuristic features and semi-autonomous driving, but the CR-V, it tries to balance all three. Here's where things get interesting. Previous CR-V models consistently earned top safety pick plus ratings from the IIHS. If the 2026 model follows that trend, it's likely to remain among the safest SUVs in its class. But here's the twist. Competitors are now matching those scores. So what sets the CR-V apart? Its real-world usability of safety tech, smooth, non-intrusive driver assistance, and consistent performance across all test categories. Instead of flashy features, Honda focuses on reliability and predictability, which, for families, might actually matter more. So, is the 2026 Honda CR-V still the king of safety? Yes, but with a catch. It's no longer miles ahead, but it remains one of the most balanced and dependable safety choices for families today. What do you think? Would you trust the CR-V for your family? Or would you go for one of its rivals? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more detailed car reviews, comparisons, and future car insights. Stay tuned, stay updated,